Introducing the all-new 2025 Renegade XL. This luxurious motorhome is designed to provide an unparalleled traveling experience. With meticulous craftsmanship and innovative features, the Renegade XL is set to redefine your journeys, offering the perfect blend of power, comfort, and convenience. The 2025 Renegade XL brings several exciting updates to enhance your travels. Now available with a new chassis option, the Western Star 57X, the XL offers an upgraded experience with enhanced kitchen and bathroom hardware, providing both functionality and style. Enjoy the spaciousness provided by the enlarged living room slide windows and stay connected on the go with the optional Starlink high-performance system with wedge mount. Additionally, the XL now comes standard with 4 270 amp-hour lithium batteries and 1200-watt solar panels, ensuring you have ample power for all your adventures. Built on the robust Freightliner Cascadia 126 and the newly available Western Star 57X chassis, the Renegade XL offers unmatched power and reliability. With a 30,000-pound towing capacity and a 120-gallon fuel tank, you're equipped for long journeys and heavy loads. The advanced 360 camera system, including backup and side view features, ensures easy maneuverability and safety. The safety package includes collision mitigation, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a safety event viewer package, providing peace of mind on every trip. The Renegade XL features a sleek exterior with 7 stunning colorway paint options. The dual roof mounted Girard lateral arm awnings provide ample shade protection from the elements, allowing you to enjoy the outdoors comfortably. The 4-point hydraulic leveling system, now controllable via an app, ensures stability and ease of setup. The optional Winegard in motion or HD Traveler satellite systems can keep you connected on the go. For climate control, the Renegade XL is equipped with 3 15,000 BTU roof AC units with heat pumps and the AquaHot triple zone heating system, providing continuous hot water and perfect climate control throughout the coach. Upgraded touchscreen multiplex switches throughout the RV add a modern touch and enhance functionality. The Renegade XL's water systems are designed for convenience and reliability. It includes a full maintenance wet bay, a whole house water filtration system, and generous tank capacities: 150-gallon freshwater tank, 75-gallon gray tank, and 75-gallon black tank. Powering all your needs, the RV comes with a 12.5 kilowatt Onan quiet diesel generator, standard 1200-watt solar panels, and dual 3000-watt pure sine wave inverters. The new standard 270 amp-hour lithium batteries offer enhanced performance and longevity. Step inside the Renegade XL to discover luxury and comfort. Choose from 3 interior decors, Italian leather furniture in 4 color options, and Cambria quartz countertops, adding a touch of elegance to the coach. The XL features soft touch padded vinyl walls available in Houston quartz and Gunny Beach colors. The interior is adorned with maple hardwood cabinetry, upgraded door styling, and dovetail drawers. All hardwood is available in 4 stain options with 60 and 90 sheen finishes for added sophistication. The kitchen is equipped with a stainless steel workstation sink bowl with accessories, made complete with ceramic heated tile flooring that ensures comfort underfoot. The bathroom in the Renegade XL is a model of elegance and practicality. It features a stylish shower with a solid surface surround and tile accents. The spacious maple hardwood vanity, equipped with chrome faucets and hardware, provides ample storage. The porcelain macerator toilet with a push button adds convenience and luxury. The Renegade XL's kitchen appliances are designed for functionality and ease of use. It includes a 23 cubic foot refrigerator with a family hub smart screen, a recessed 2-burner cooktop, and a 1.7 cubic foot convection microwave oven. These high-end appliances ensure that you can prepare fresh meals effortlessly, whether you're on a short trip or an extended journey. The XL comes standard with a large modular drawer and can be optioned for a dishwasher drawer for added convenience. Entertainment is paramount in the Renegade XL. The living area features a 50-inch 4K LED TV with soundbar and subwoofer, while the exterior entertainment center includes a 43-inch 4K LED TV and a soundbar with Bluetooth streaming. And stay connected with the Winegard Connect 5G system, which offers Wi-Fi, over-the-air TV antenna, and 5G data capability. The state-of-the-art entertainment systems ensure you can enjoy your favorite shows, music, and movies wherever you are. The 2025 Renegade XL is a testament to luxury, power, and innovation in Class C motorhomes. Every feature has been thoughtfully designed to provide the ultimate traveling experience, ensuring your journey is as enjoyable as your destination. Choose luxury, choose adventure, choose Renegade RV. Designed for life, designed for your convenience.